Your most productive days and your most draining days have one thing in common. They're trying to tell you something about yourself. In the next 6 minutes, we'll go over a simple exercise to help you gather this information. Doing this can transform how you work, set goals, and make decisions. This is the exciting and draining things exercise. It's deceptively simple, but the insights it reveals can be profound. Why should you care about this? Think about it. We spend so much time trying to understand other people, their likes, their dislikes, their habits. But how often do we turn that curiosity inward? How often do we really try to understand ourselves? This exercise will help you discover patterns in what energizes and depletes you. Make better decisions about how you spend your time. Design goals that naturally pull you forward. And find quick ways to boost your mood when you're feeling down. So, how does it work? There are 3 simple steps. Step 1. Gather your data. Every morning for a week, you'll reflect on your previous day and write down 3 things. 3 things that felt exciting, 3 things that felt draining, and 3 achievements, big or small. Now, when I say exciting things, I'm talking about those moments where you completely lost track of time. Like when you're so absorbed in writing that you forget to eat lunch. Or when you're solving a problem and the whole world just fades away. You know that feeling, right? Draining things are the opposite. They're the tasks you keep pushing to tomorrow. The activities that make you feel like you're trudging through mud. Maybe it's a weekly status report that somehow took 3 hours to write. Or a networking event that leaves you feeling exhausted. And achievements. They can be anything you're proud of, no matter how small. Maybe you finally made a dentist appointment you've been putting off for months. Or maybe you cooked a meal at home. That counts. Step 2. Find key phrases. At the end of the week, take all your entries and boil them down to key phrases. For example, prepare figure design for exposition becomes creating design. Getting obsessed with figure and not taking breaks becomes not taking breaks. Step 3. Organize key phrases. Group similar items together and find the overarching categories. You might notice that creating graphics, writing scripts, and designing thumbnails all fall under creative work. Or that unclear expectations, missing information, and ambiguous feedback all relate to lack of clarity. What you'll end up with is a personal map of what fills and drains your energy. Let me show you what this looks like in practice. Here's an example of my entries for one day. Writing these is very easy. It shouldn't take more than 5 to 8 minutes. I've collected all the entries for 7 days in one place. Let me show you how to organize these. Let's start by looking at the exciting things. At this point, using sticky notes is very convenient. I'm taking phrases from my exciting things and writing them down. If I see notes with similar phrases, I place them close together. Then, I group all the similar notes together. I tidy them up, give them a color so I can distinguish different categories. Finally, I look at a group, find the overarching category, and write it down above the group. Some sticky notes don't fall within any group, and that's okay. At the end, I have a map of things that are exciting to me. Following the same process, starting from 7-day entries for draining things and achievements, I get 2 more maps. One for things that are draining to me, and one for things that feel like achievements to me. Once you have your map of exciting and draining things, you can use it in so many ways. Design your perfect day. When you know what energizes you, you can intentionally sprinkle those activities throughout your day. Make better decisions. When faced with choices, you can evaluate them against your energy map. Does a given opportunity align with what energizes you, or will it fill your day with draining activities? Set better goals. Instead of copying someone else's path, you can create goals that align with what naturally motivates you. If you know you love creating things, build that into your goals. Boost your mood. If you need a quick energy boost, pick something from our exciting list, or complete a small achievement. Before we wrap up, here's a quick challenge for you. Start this exercise tomorrow morning. Just one entry. See how it feels. If you do try this out for a whole week, I would love to hear what you discover. Drop a comment below sharing one surprising thing from your exciting and draining maps. If you discover other ways to use these maps, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical ways to understand yourself better. See you in the next video.